Okay, in the back you go. Ready to go?
Yeah, ready.
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to the Coffee Coyote Show. And today we are in the Mule. And we are on Ultimate Nerf Force 007. We are on a mission to capture the enemy team. And let's just say stuff is about to get rough. Oh my god! Something was moving at us now. I'm not sure you can get that in the PC, but it looks like an enemy guy. It looks like an enemy of our Nerf Force looking at us. Kids, don't do this at home. It's very dangerous. Especially do not do this on pedestrian roads. If you are going to attempt to do a stunt like this, make sure to have parent supervision and a good, well-trained driver. See, I could have fallen off right there.
We are.
Yeah, this is where the enemy terrorist line is. So be careful. Enemies lurking everywhere. So be careful. Oh my god, the enemy spotted me. Quick, we have to eliminate him. Good job. We have to be stealthy. I see an enemy.
Let's go get him. Be careful. This is...
Make sure he doesn't spot us.
Okay. Shh.
Oh my god, he's coming quick. Ha! We got the end. We got the target. Wow. Capture objective. Let's go back to home base.
Okay.
All enemy targets eliminated. Woo-hoo, I would call that a mission success.
You want to use it?
Okay. This is gonna be bumpy, so watch out, guys. Oh, that's not my hand shaking. That's the whole truck shaking. No, we just completed a Nerf mission. Whoa! Oh shoot! I can't believe it. We actually captured the enemy objective. I think we'll skip objectives for this week. But hey, we might not have any more objectives. That doesn't mean we're gonna not have more YouTube videos. You're being filmed. Smile, you're on camera. Woo. Dude, I know the video's a little wonky and fingers are getting all messed up, but it's only because this video's so intense.
Was that a great ride or what?
It's not done. We're gonna have to get down this hill.
I know.